completely honest with y'all, I'm saying this is the best way to hold your yarn because it's the way I hold it, so I'm being completely biased. If unfortunately I was wrong and this didn't work out for you, check out my other video where I show you 4 ways how to hold your yarn, including this way, and see which one of those will work out. Let's get right into the video. You want to start off with a slip knot on your hook. Check out my video in the description showing you how to make a slip knot. Next, you're going to need to hold your hook. If you're unsure how you like to hold your hook, check out the video in the description on how to hold your crochet hook. Now you're ready to hold your yarn. First, you want to place your hand over your yarn that's coming from the ball. Next, you want to put the yarn over your pinky. So grab it over here, lift your pinky, and bring the yarn over your pinky. Next, you want to bring the yarn over your index finger. So you're going to lift your index finger and bring the yarn over your index finger. Depending on how loose the yarn is, that will affect your tension. You want to make sure that the yarn is a bit taut, not tight, and not too loose, just right in the middle. From here, you want to pick up your hook in the best way that you decided for yourself and turn your palm facing towards you. From here, you want to grab your project with your thumb and your middle finger. Right now, my project is just a slip knot. So I'm going to grab it like this. The yarn right here should be taut again. It should not be loose like this because then it can become pretty hard to maneuver. If you find that your yarn is loose, pull on the yarn coming from the ball to get it taut, like so. And from here, you're ready to crochet. Additionally, sometimes the tail end of yarn is also being held by my pinky and my ring finger, but this is not always the case. This is what the yarn will look like on the inside of your hand while you're crocheting. It's being fed up here as you crochet, and then your index finger provides tension. And that's the best way to hold your yarn. Let's move on to the next and final method.